So dear students, next kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. This sign is there, okay. So have a look at one of the sentences as an example, like I said to my friends, hooray, we have won, we have won today. Okay students, suppose this sentence is there. Okay, let me write one more, then we will be discussing one by one, right? Shekhar says, comma, inverted comma, alas, she is dead. Okay, next. What a pleasant surprise she said. Okay students, so have a look at the answers we are going to discuss. First, I told you we have to find out the kind of sentence. Now we assume that exclamatory sentence has been given. You can see, right? Two kinds of exclamatory sentences are there, students. What? In first kind, we use interjection words. Hooray, alas, bravo, marvelous, well done, oh, ah, whew, fine. These are interjections. Okay, so whenever you come across these interjection words, so mind it, they always are followed by this sign of exclamation, right? And full stop is there at the end of this kind of sentences. But sometimes exclamatory sentence begin with what or how. I know that is interrogative also, but what or how always take adjective, right? This is the identification that the given sentence beginning with what or how is interrogative or exclamatory. If adjective is not there, this is interrogative. Like, how are you? Do you find any adjective? No, so this is interrogative. How good you are? This is, do you find adjective? Yes, good. So this is exclamatory, right? So look, we will change reporting verb first of all. So I said into exclaimed. I exclaimed with joy. Means when we are praising, we use joy, and when we are happy to see, means when we are admiring some qualities, we use delight. Okay, so this is I exclaimed with joy. Dear students, that connector is used, this comma, inverted commas, this and these interjection words, they are always removed, right? So that now obviously simple sentence will be there, and that is we. We is first person. So I told you first person according to reporting subject, second person according to reporting object. So I exclaim with joy that we, this is first person, so we. Now have tense will be changed. Let us see, said is there, so tense will also be changed, right? We head, have into head, right? Win, won, that is third form. Won today into that day, okay? So students, this is indirect speech. Next, Shekhar says, alas, she is dead. So, what is the mood? Is he happy? Let us see. Shekhar exclaims with sorrow, alas, afsos, right? So, at the demise of someone, so with sorrow, as usual, this and this will be removed. So, simple sentence, she is dead into that connector, she third person, so that never changes, that she, and is, tense will be changed, yes or no, this is present, so tense will not be changed, but if it is said, it will become was, but this is present, so is will remain as it is, she is dead, okay. Next, what a pleasant surprise, she said. This is exclamatory, the sign is there, so its answer will be she exclaims with wonder, right? Or maybe she exclaimed with joy, right? With wonder, that connector and this sign will be changed, will be removed. So she exclaimed with wonder that, what a pleasant surprise. It was a very pleasant surprise. Okay, students. So in this way, this fourth exclamatory sentence is also complete. I hope you might have got it. This is last optative sentence, right? Sometimes in optative also full stop or sign of exclamation may be given, okay? So have a look. My parents said to me, may you live long. So don't get confused, this is not exclamatory. So we are going to change as usual. Whenever greetings, blessings are there, so we change them into reporting verb, means we may use them as it is as reporting verb. So my parents blessed me that, may you, so we can write that, you second person according to my parents, said to me, you is second person according to reporting object, so that I, now may is changed into might or not, yes, this is past tense, so I might live long, or one more answer may be there, students. So don't get confused, whatever is easier for you, you may use, like my parents blessed or wished me with a long life. Okay, so they both are correct. So it's up to you, right? Next sentence, next example. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shubham. Said they. In this way. Okay, student. So, how to? They wished Shubham on his birthday. Or simply we can write they wish Shubham, comma, inward comma, nothing is required, happy birthday. Simply we can say they wish Shubham happy birthday, or we may say more appropriate, they wish Shubham on his birthday. Okay, and last not the least, he said to me, comma, inverted comma, good morning, sir. So, how to change? He wished me respectfully. Whenever sir or ma'am title have been given, respectfully you have to use, right? So, he wished me respectfully good morning. Okay, students, in this way, this optative sentence, and sometimes the sentence is he said to me, thank you. So, we can say he thanked me, right? He thanked me. He said to me, congratulations. So, we can write he congratulated me. So, in this way, this diet and diet topic is complete. Thank you.